recorded. So. Oh, should I also? No.
I don't know if you have a record button. I think only the person that starts it has a button to record
Yes,
it.
right.
I may be wrong.
Yes, yes.
But we're working on step 37 here, and
yes,
we're getting quite close.
With a view.
Okay, my server is running, so I should be able to click on volunteers and see some volunteer opportunities. They work, show up in the map, but I think when I click this, I'm getting a failure. No, that works. That's good. So what happens when I log in?
We should also try when login not as an admin.
Yeah, we should. Although we know our logic is the same. We should try it.
Yes.
Right. Volunteers. Admin gets an extra menu there, or an extra button. Oh, I try that same when we're at opportunity number 1. See if it still shows up. Well, yes, I've got an edit button.
So, do you have the possibility to try login as not admin or no?
Not yet, but I can do that. Let's see, I'm not sure, or I don't recall how to create a user.
Another.
Yeah, Zeus console. Zeus is for me today, but I don't know what I've done differently.
It works.
Oh, I don't like that this makes it so
yes,
narrow.
it should. Yes, because it aligns with the length of the title. Yes, that's crazy, this one. It should be much more. It should occupy really the half of the screen.
Yes, it should definitely occupy.
Yes, that's a problem of CSS, this one. Which one is used, Bootstrap or other things?
I think, yes, most of it's Bootstrap.
So, yes, we could add a with Bootstrap.
Couldn't find page.
Page with permalink volunteer ops. 49, wait a minute, should.
So we got find by attributes, method missing. Why be calling all that stuff? Method put token description title. But the error is record not found in. It's going to the wrong controller.
Yes, yes,
it's
but
going to the pages controller.
It is normally driven by this controller, the page controller.
Right, but we have it, yeah, and we haven't created a
links will get page order. If you run the mean, if you find permalink, yes, it returns an exception if no match.
Right.
Get edit.
No, I don't recall if all of our
So, and in 41. Yes, we redirect. Oh, in 41, but from
oh
the
yes, yes. But why it goes to pages? Well, we have a rule in rake routes that takes everything that's not a controller to the pages controller, and that allows us to do this. I have no pages in here. See, I'll make some pages. Oh, the admin has to. Let's see. Oh, I can't create pages now. I can. Yeah, I can. Pages.
Another. What is it? Another page?
Yeah, there's a pages controller for this. It's a simple website editor.
You have another. I don't understand.
There's no direct link to that first page. This is. I just wanted to show you what the pages controller is for, what the pages model is for. This is a page. Create page. The reason we have that rule in routes is because so that we can have simple URLs here. And then from anywhere on the site, we will have a link, and that allows them to put in contact information and so on. They have a link down here.
Only for organization, no? For volunteers also?
Yeah. Yes, it really shows up everywhere in the site. It's in the application template. So I click on that. That will take me to the new page I wrote.
Okay.
So I think I want to go in and make a test to match to match the error that we're seeing. And that's just annoying. I want to run all the specs. So we're doing update, but I think we might be doing it with the wrong route. Because all of our routes should work.
We have not written update or no, we have not. That's maybe the problem. We were in edit.
Yeah, we haven't worked on update yet. We haven't got a controller for update, but I think this error is saying that we would never have got there anyway. Um, I'm not 100% sure.
I,
When I get my server started, I'll run rake routes and see.
I can. Yeah. Get.
Oh, it's crashing. Why can't I run RSpec?
I can share mine if you want, just to see the
Oh,
room.
yes, please. Yeah, I think it's broken here. RSpec. I'll just run it that way. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, do you see it, or is it too small?
Yeah, I see it. So I see a post, index, create, new, edit, show, and update is the fifth one down. So
Edit, show update, yes. Yes, we have it as root, but we have not defined anything in the controller. That may be.
okay. So right. So I'll be test driven and make a test that does the same as my does the same as what I just did in the browser.
Yes, it has all the roots here.
It's the right. Okay, yeah, we just left a placeholder there for that.
Mm.
We should just wait, see. Let's see.
I wonder if
What's the first thing it should do?
there's something in the spec.
What else it does? The other thing it should do is just we should probably have a context. Yeah. Same as before, use edit privileges. And a context. User has no edit privilege. Which we can maybe catch with the filter.
No, you're missing some do and n.
Yeah, it's missing some do's.
The it also, probably, I don't know. If it loves. And also it redirect, no?
It does. I think in both contexts it redirects.
Yes, but not the same page, perhaps.
Yeah,
I
maybe not.
think there is a
I think
redirection
mostly.
to the first page when the.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
It seems to me that in the controller, wait a moment, there is a
Yeah, I
big
think we do
hook.
that in organizations.
If you are not, yes, if you're not organa, it redirects to slash. And that's the problem here. We should maybe change, perhaps, this, or
I think you're right. Yes, we'll do the
a
same.
bit, so that admin also can edit.
Yeah. Have we got invalid parameters?
But we should probably assign a title and a description at the beginning.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's strange what you do let with the same variable.
Mm-hmm. Ah, yes, it is. I just realized that. Um, let's try that. We've not used that one before. I'm not sure if we can do this all in one block, actually.
Not in a let,
Probably a
because a
simpler.
let normally it assigns just a variable to an object. So you cannot do that, but you can have a before each. And with before you can do a do and.
Well, with let we can do that as well because we're assigning a
With,
block. So we
with
can
let
just,
also?
yeah.
No, I find it strange. Because
I think as long as
what
there may be
sense
a
it
shorter way
has
to.
to assign to a variable op2? You assign what exactly?
Oh, that's going to be a model for the description. Sorry, a model for the volunteer opportunity. Um, let's see what else we need to set up the organization that
Yes, but before.
it ties to it. Yes.
Yes,
Oh,
before.
we can do it like this. We can just have a set of mappings here. But those are done in a before do, but we could do those in a let. So I'm going to copy this.
It's extremely confusing.
Yeah, I'm making it confusing. I think I need to simplify it a bit. Oh, I don't know if this will work. Now we try this.
But this one you can do in a before, so that it has, or you can, instead of stop the model, you can create, now use factory girl to create what you want. It would be better in this case, no?
I think so. I can't convince Sam that we're doing the right thing to use Factory Girl, but maybe we should work more on that. But this will work too because it worked for our edit. We want a hash rocket there, and I've got just too much stuff going on.
Well, that's exactly the same as doing a factory girl.
It is exactly the same, except we're doing it in the same file.
I'm not sure.
What's gone wrong here? I should be able to continue that line there.
I think you don't need it.
Oh,
You have.
no, I know what I've done wrong. I need to do this. I don't use an equals.
Yes,
I'm not
here,
using
yes.
basic.
And here do. No, you cannot with. I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
that's right. I can use braces, or I can use, yeah, like you said, do end for tidiness.
If it doesn't, yes, to end. But I'm not sure that works this way. It's very strange.
Right.
Not well. If it works, it works.
Right. So, working on my list of. So, it does not update the model. It sets a flash message for
Yeah. Confirmation denied, yes.
yeah. And it redirects somewhere different, doesn't it?
Yes, to slash.
So I'm going to put this here. Oh, I see why this is upset with me. You need commas. Right. So this should. If we do the simple one first. This should fail the same way as my.
Yes, but that's not organization at work. That's the ID. Yeah, normally.
Oh.
ID.
Ah, thank you.
No, that's just me rereading after a long
Oh,
time.
no, we used organization before. Yeah. Yeah, we match it to the actual organization.
Yes, it was good.
Yeah. We want to do post, update, and we'll do
That's update or update attributes.
update attributes is the name of the method, but I think update is the name of the
I don't remember
HTTP.
because
Yeah.
I'm always with Rails 4, so that's good.
Mhm.
Or maybe that's a post, no?
Well, yeah, I think you're right. I think it puts is for. I'm trying to remember. Let's see. Can you show me? Can I look at your? Oh, you've
I'm,
still got rake roots on the screen. I should be sharing. Yeah. Let me see. Rake roots. We've got put. You're right. Yeah. Post is for create and put is for update.
that's good.
So. Ah. Just jump down to the end. Put is for update. ID was op2.id, and we want to send. We want to set up the edit privilege.
Yes.
Um, hmm. Well, that should be enough. Um, okay, so I've got some pending tests that are temporarily disabled that I've forgotten about. Yeah,
With exit, yes.
with exit. So we need to work on those ones as well.
And the post pass?
No, nothing's happened yet. No, I haven't run it yet.
Mm-mm.
I hope the post will fail.
Yes, it does no.
Yeah, depending on context. I want to read that fourth one.
But I think that's more a problem of aspect here.
I think it's a problem with me. It's a problem with training my brain to use this correctly.
That's all this one, that will be 1.8, it has changed.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's see how my tests have done. I've got one failure called ID for nil,
It's called either for new mission, file,
which would mistakenly be 4. So, okay. Oh, I see what I've done. Typo. Yeah. I'm in line 175, and here I've got add org. I want org because I want this guy. I don't know if he's defined there.
Yes.
He's probably not, which is probably why we're using before. See if that's
I wonder if we should not have a user before the org. The org normally has a user ID or?
the org has. It does, but there's the possibility that the org would have more than one user in the future. Yes, but you're right, the org has a user which has an ID.
It says something.
This is really slow.
Uh-huh.
Right.
It's
Failed for the wrong reason again.
article called association did match. Got fixed none.
Organization expected got fixed.
In here,
It's I think it must be here. I'm thinking fixed now must be a reference to the let. So it seems to me that we can do a let, we have to do it before each.
S.
Or a factory go.
To S here, or guided to S. Try it just to see if it works. Because I remember that we have done something in the spec for a show. No, no. What we have done? I've done.
But it's not expecting a string.
Yes,
It's
yes, that was allow.
Oh,
That was allow
yeah.
volunteer
One
to receive fine with op,
at
not
window.
op, needed to us, yes. In line 48, in get show.
Line 48.
Yes, see what we have done in get show.
Yeah, we used org, we not use org ID or to string.
Yes,
Yeah,
but
we've used to
here
string. Yes.
we use at up to ID to us. So I wonder when
We do.
same, not sure but
Yeah, we need to do the same here. I wonder why we don't just send org like this. Could be.
because that's a param here, which is pass, and the param are always strings, no? Something like that, perhaps.
They are always strings, yes. Um, right. I'm going to look at
But
regems.
I wonder what you put
Look at
org
this
inside
first.
parentheses. What it says.
In which line?
Why you put
Oh,
parentheses in
yeah.
line
The
1?
parentheses are wasted. Yeah. I don't mean it before.
That was the left of.
Yes. Did you say a leftover?
Yes.
Yes, I think so. This is being slow. Another answer.
What it says now?
Action not found. Good. This is the
Is
failure I
that
wanted.
better, this one?
Action
Yes.
update not be found for volunteer ops controllers. It's still not an interesting test, but at least it's
That's
still
normal.
a
It is not there.
yeah.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
maybe
Now,
we should
what
have the
is a bit
failure here. Hmm?
yeah, what is a bit annoying is that I can post an update, but I can't. The the edit page didn't post the update right. Then it could be just that we haven't. We have to work on the edit page. So should we fix this first? But I think we need to make a note somewhere that the um, maybe in the view spec.
Yes, the view spec does not. Oh, it's completely wrong at the moment. It was just a copy of, I think,
Copy of the yeah.
of the organization. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So it's absolutely wrong.
Not implemented.
Yes. Now, can
Note that the update button seems to route pages. Yeah, so we can get the bits working without getting the whole thing working. So that's one of the reasons why the trying to remember what we call it, why the cucumber test would fail.
And how are done the other one? The new spec, for example, let organization, yes, it is good, this one. It uses the partials and locals. It's not bad, the new page for volunteer groups.
No, it's not bad. It's much better than its spec.
Yes. So it has the same for the edit. Surely it is yes.
Oh, what are you looking at?
Yes, I'm looking at it.
Oh, I
Because
see. Yes, yes, it will be this. Yeah, it's almost the same. It uses the same form. Uh,
excuse
yeah,
me.
it's very, very good.
You see, it is not bad. Huh?
Yeah, and it's almost not necessary to
I show
write a view spec. It gives me a clue that maybe it is working at the wrong level because the spec, the form already knows what fields to show.
it. You see, it is not bad. And as it shares the same partial as the edit, it should be. There is not much to change here.
No, we just need to change the button, really. And we need to fix the width of it, but that's almost a different matter. Volunteer ops controllers. Yeah.
Import
If I,
and yes, the input value should change. This one and the other ones, it's the same. It's the same. The path probably also. It's the path and the submit button, but a part of that, that's the same. And the description. And we should change a bit the controller so that it accepts also an admin
Change
user.
which controller?
If we see the views here,
Okay, well that passes. So it redirects to the show pages past.
and here direct. URL is the same. Exactly. What is this paper? Yeah, edit, yes, it's the same.
So you've got some unimplemented tests. We want to work on them. This one's going to pass. I'm not sure.
No, I'm not sure this is a good URL, this one.
I'm looking at 956 now, and I wonder if this is a real. I just wrote this without thinking too much. I'm not sure if this is a real controller test, because the controller's not really interested in what the page looks like.
Which line?
156 on my screen.
This one. Yes, I should. It should be. Yes, that's what I said last time. That has nothing to do in the get, at least.
Thank you. Yes, it has nothing to do with the get. Yeah.
Apart from assigning the value,
Yeah.
the other
Yeah, the
one,
name of the template and assign the value. Yeah. And then the rest should be up to the view.
or to the view or to the update.
Mm-hmm. We can do this redirects one then. In fact, we can just use.
Because we tested it already here in update. That belongs to
Oh, hang
the
on.
redirect.
I've only done half of this test, but right, this one needs to be done as well. I've only written half of this test. Passes, but I haven't asserted anything yet. Um, how do we assert a redirect?
Yes, you see, redirect to root path.
Oh yeah, there's a way of doing it. I'm not convinced that's the. Calling original with root path. Oh, it's not root path though. It's with. See, we're already working. We already have specs to cover the authorize and errors, but those are related to the foregunner.
But we should authorize also admin. And it is not.
Yeah.
At the moment, it is not present in the logic of the controller.
That's right.
But maybe we should try to make it work as it is. No?
Yeah.
First.
Mm-hmm.
Then we can
Yes.
tweak it to make it work with admin.
Yes. Yeah, we can just do this. Response should redirect up. And this one, yeah, maybe we don't need it.
Up.
We can
Up to
cut
maybe.
these out.
I'm not sure. See, because we use up to, and here
We do.
use up.
Yeah.
That's good. I'm not sure.
No, it's not good. That's it. Oh, that's a bit of do that later.
It updates the model? Why? You mean it updates the
Send these
database?
parameters to the model. Yeah, the new description and the new title.
Yeah, yes. That's French to say it updates the model.
Just trying the most simple way of doing describing that. Yeah, I think that would just be sort of expect or opt to receive. No, I think it would be easier to test if it was a factory.
Yes, that's it. Because we can have a very minimal factory, yeah? And at minimal we can have just a build with a new, and then we can add the title as we want, or create with just title, description, and an organization,
Yeah.
and do the same for organization with minimal. Can even do the same with user, and that allows us to test really the right thing when there is the user is normal, when the user is admin, when the user is organizer, and so on. Because with the before it we can change. Then
yeah, we can change anything in the model.
We can merge attributes or change the attributes. That's much more easier, I think. Because with Stub, I find that sometimes we do not test really the reality. We test something more abstract, and it can be that it is not what happens really. And you have to test which passes, and this is not really. I see it in the homework. Not the last, yes, the last one, I think.
Yeah, I think.
I've done it a very strange way. It works, but really the specs are more than crabby. They're awful.
Oh. I had 2 copies of this on my hard disk, which is confusing for me. Alright, I'll just add them from this.
They work at the moment?
So I can do it quicker with this if I just do stage all of those. Just check that I haven't put in a load of typos. So it doesn't work. No, it fails. I thought that would be a good time to ping over to you with the failing test, because it doesn't have the redirect yet. It's empty.
So it's my time to work now?
Yes, please.
I love the please. So, you have commit, no?
Yeah. I haven't commit yet. Commit.
Yes,
Um,
if I remember well,
mhm.
in the grant, I do a sheet. Attention. Sheet de Gopkin, admin, role, no, admin edit, role, up, something like this. Oh, magic. That's that's an extension to Emacs.
Oh, it's an extension. It's an extension to Emacs.
Mm.
I don't know if TextMate has similar things, but there's Mac Git, isn't there, or a Git for Mac? It's supposed to be quite
Yes,
nice.
I use GitX.
GitX.
Yes, but it's a Mac application.
Hmm.
Yes, with the Git from the normal Git that does not work very well inside TextMate, even worse in Sublime Text. But with GitX, I have no problem. It has a graphic interface,
Hmm.
and it works. But
All right.
most of the time, I do it on the command line. I should admit
Yeah.
that I find it more easier.
Hmm.
So now I do normally in background. That's good for.
No, in your Mac terminal, if you want to do a Git pull.
But to fetch your change, no, that's not in
Yes.
background.
Um. It might not work in Vagrant. You could try it in either.
Huh? Because
Yeah.
if I remember well, the last time I did the Gokin admin and did well. No, that's when I push to you. So now,
Yes. We had
okay.
trouble pushing to me 2 days
Wait a
ago.
moment, I
It
should
worked
search
okay yesterday.
when I push to you, I use the background and Git the Gokin admin. And when I retrieve, I have two. One, why? I'm not sure. Why I have two?
Oh, I wish my
Wait a
headache would
moment.
go away.
No, normally I have just one, but I should inspect what happens.
Take my glasses off and stare out the window for a minute, and hopefully it helps my headache.
Ah, yes, I have two. That's strange. Well, I don't understand. This one, it works correctly now. Something has changed. Normally, I have just one. So it should be this one. Yes, I don't know what is it. This one. Okay, so not here. Here that when I push to you, and here that is when I don't know what should I do here. Git.
Um, yes, get pull. Unless
Git
you prefer to do two things at what they're separately, git fetch and then git merge.
Git fetch. Yes, I prefer because it is git fetch degoking or just git fetch.
Git fetch decorking.
No, degoking.
So that's the short name of the repository.
Okay, and just that.
And no, then you need yeah, that works on its own. You can specify the branch because otherwise it pulls
Okay,
down all the objects.
here.
Fine.
And here, and here, Git Was it first the copy and then?
Get status to check that you're on the right branch.
Yes, I'm on the right branch. So normally I'm done?
You need to do git merge now.
Git merge, that's one. And git merge without nothing.
It's space. No, it's decorking slash.
Here that's slash admin. And there is this one. Like this.
You need the middle slash admin needs to go.
We don't need it.
No.
Oof. Like this.
Yes, that looks right.
Okay, wait a moment. So, alors, in Mac, to be clear, so git fetch key. Git status, just to have the right branch that we have. Git merge. Admin. Okay, does it work? Yes, it works. So now, normally, I should have. Yeah, sure. Maybe that's good that again, I do in background this time. I do an aspect.
Yes.
So, yeah, that is directly aspect. If I remember what aspects. Controllers. This one. Maybe just the last part. What it is.
Yeah. No, we'll run this whole thing.
The whole. The whole.
Yeah. Well, the whole file. Yes. It'll be nearly as quick anyway. And we seem to make unintended dependencies around that file, so yeah, I'd like to keep running it frequently.
Okay, yes, that's so we have a filler should redirect to 2 to be a redirect to test out. Okay, yes, that's normal because we so this one has edit privilege, but we have not assets that yes, we have assets that yes, but it is organa at the moment.
Yeah, so it's not implemented.
That's an admin.
Yeah.
So normally organa can edit, but yes, it should be organa. So what we
Normally Organa can edit, but we have taken out the before filter, if you remember.
Yes. So what I should share this one. So here we have this one here. That's a rise, which goes to organa here. Maybe we should have another filter, no, of authorize admin or something like this, no? No.
I think. Well, we could try that, but I think when we looked at it, we refactor the two together and just have one authorization because the effects are the same. It's just the conditions are different.
That's
So you could say unless org-owner or admin and so on.
but maybe I'm not sure. Maybe that's effectively the organization owner which could create a volunteer opportunity, but then he can edit, but the admin side can also edit. No, I'm not sure. But
Yeah.
what do you think?
Should we do the same as you did before and add an exception for update and then take it out again later?
Ah, okay. Update this way.
Yeah.
Okay, but okay. So I rerun it to see.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't know we're breaking our application.
Yes. But then we should also change it because at the moment it is open to. Ah, it is to anyone.
Yes, it is. Not good.
What it says.
Wait.
Okay. Post update. Okay. As edit redirect to the show page. Put update. Action view. Missing template. Volunteer of update with local format and then empty template.
Ah, so is it trying to render something called update? Do we need to
Well,
put a redirect at the end of the update method? The update action.
update. Ah, yes, you know, it use update attributes.
Mhm.
Yes, so maybe we should use something like this.
Do you see what we have? Yeah, just redirect to redirect to volunteer opportunity. I can't see your text mate at the
Yeah.
moment.
Wait. That was in you were in organization. I think yes. Get get edit. Yes. Where is updates? Yes. We should have something like this.
Yeah, something like line 75.
Can user can edit and then update attribute. And we redirect. Also, I can copy it more or less. What it does. That was in update. So here we should have add volunteer up. This. This one, that's okay. Can edit at volunteer and if at volunteer.
We don't have a user can edit method in.
We don't have a.
No.
with admin, with admin, update attribute with admin. There should be another in the model. Update attribute with admin. In the model, what it says in the model. Which model it is? Organization. Oh, wow. Update attribute with admin. This is a email param, semicolon bank. And here it does a transaction. It does. Wow.
This is all to do with setting the admin email, because Active Record can do all the rest.
Yes, but
At the very last, line 58 is the, line 59 is the all that we need to do. So we don't think we need this special method.
yes, okay. I hope it has so admin. So just admin, no?
Yeah.
Around the we need the param in it. Sure.
Oh yeah, this makes a new params hash, doesn't it? Yeah.
I'm not sure this yes. Would you like to add notice not sure what was done volunteer opportunity. Answer. We can try like this.
Yeah. I don't know if update attributes will return true or false the same as that
Yes,
other method.
yes, yes,
It will.
yes. Ah, um, in Rails 3, yes.
Yes, it returns false.
In Rails 4, you cannot use it because you have the permit attribute, which are in private method, and you have to. Yes, but normally it should work this way. I always use a update attribute. Used. Where
It
is
was used, and in Rails 4, do
I
you
used
update them one by one?
yes. So here what it does.
Oh.
You're tired, huh?
Yeah. Well, I've got a headache. I think maybe I'll go and take a painkiller for it.
So failure put up the active record not found. Could not find volatile up with ID.
Oh, it's probably because we didn't stub it.
We
Yeah, it gets very complicated. Yeah. Well,
well,
it's
yeah,
because it.
I prefer factory girl, frankly. But we should be very. Or sometimes I use directly the model to create. When you have many fields which derive from many table, it's better to simply directly use the model.
Yes,
So
I think so.
yeah, yeah, what you have done. Oh, get show, get show, get show, get new, get create. It should be here. Get edit. Where it screen at us? It says that could not find the record in line 182. 182. So in post. Here. It could not find this one. Yes. Up to. Ah. But normally it is done here, no? Or should we have an ID? No.
Yeah, it's done there. Our problem is in the because this isn't a real model. In the controller, we did find by ID because
Yes.
we get the ID from the
Yes,
primes,
yes,
and
yes.
it doesn't find anything.
So should we have an ID here? No, it's better to let factory girl or the model.
Um, yeah, we should have an. Yeah,
Or
we should have an ID, but we also should have. We should also stub the model class
but this
method.
one is not good. That should be an ID here. Why it has been changed?
Oh, I think that. Why should it be an ID?
Because in the we are stubbing the volunteer up here. So
Hmm.
the volunteer up has the ID of the organization, not the organization. Here org is the
The
organization.
table has the idea of the organization, but doesn't the object have the actual organization?
You think the object has only the ID here in 9169?
Yeah, I think it has the actual object, but that's not where we've gone wrong. Can you
Yes.
bring up the controller, please?
Yes. The controller, you mean, or the yes, the controller.
Yes, the controller.
Yes. Where am I? Ah, yes, it is here.
Oh yes, it's
The
the top left
controller.
tab.
No, no, because sometimes I don't know if I'm in the Hangout or in TextMax. So
Yeah, yeah.
the controller.
Okay, is line 37 where we do find? We need to stub find. So we need to allow volunteer up to receive find.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the same as in edit. Should have done it in edit.
Yes, the same stub as we've done in edit in the spec.
So where am I? Oh, is this here? Organization spec. Okay. So in edit, what we have done? We have done a before do that was better, no?
Um, yes.
Because it was here.
Yeah, we used it every time. Yes, you're right.
So I put it. Let's just and I command the other one. Just
Yeah,
we
because
need it.
the only bits we need from that are the title and description. If we grab those.
Okay. So at all. But now we should change allow user. We have no user here. Ah yes, but here what we have to allow can edit with @org. Yes, we should change with @org time. And we don't need here. And return true. Yes. Okay. So and then at up 2. And here. Should redirect to other 2. So, we redirect at show, yes.
Yes, I agree.
Now we redirect at edit. Yes, with success, yes. So here it is correct or not? Yeah, the same here. Then we should have this one, get edit ID at up to ID.
Yes, it looks correct to me.
It seems. Well, I try it.
Maybe it will fail on the next line. In fact, it will fail on the next line because we have called a method that doesn't exist.
Mhm. Job there, but undefined user can edit. Oh, maybe I've done
That's
something.
yeah. It's because of our copy paste from the organization's controller. We don't have a user can edit method.
But yes, we have used it here, and we have used it also in show.
We have, but it has different name. It's uppercase.
At
It's
editable.
class user dot can edit,
Okay.
or rather user dot can edit. It's a subtly different
Was
method.
what we have used it.
It's confusing.
Auto controller. It is here in get show. Auto controller to receive on owner. Auto controller to receive current user. We shouldn't have that before because we have current user, and then yes, things that was what make it pass before that. Because the current user is always there. So if we return user, then we have user. See, that's
Are you looking at your editor at the moment?
excuse me.
Are you looking at TextMate?
You don't see it.
No, I'm looking at your terminal.
Excuse me. Yes. Oh, it is long. Okay. So I wonder. Yes. What I was saying is that in show, we have used that. We have retrieved the current user,
Yes.
and that gives us the user, and then we can apply, can edit to the user.
Yeah, that's good.
So I suppose we should also apply it in normally in both, huh? Because
Yeah, I think so.
here and here also.
Yeah, we didn't need it in edit, and it's still working. So.
But that means we do not.
Ah, I see. We have it at line 100 and yeah, yeah, because we do it at line 147 and at line 160. Yes, so you're right.
If
Sorry.
we use, perhaps we don't need it. I don't know. But if we need this one, we need this one. That goes together. But perhaps
Um,
you are right. We don't need it.
yeah, well, let me think about why it works. We definitely need 147, but I don't think we're sending the current user message in edit.
But at the moment, we don't restrict the edit because we have.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, you're right. When we do start restricting it, it will be a problem.
So that may explain why it passed the edit.
Yeah.
But here it needs really it. So maybe we could try with that and see what happens.
Well, yeah. Do you want to go back to the controller because we're still not quite right?
Ah, yes. Control. This one. F update. So we have this.
Yeah, it's line 38.
Yes. Unless what user can.
It's
Why
user
is
dot can edit
yes?
because there's
Branch.
a local there's a class method in or there's
Ah, yes, yes,
an
yes.
instance method in the in
Mm.
the organization controller that we don't have.
Ah, maybe it
Um,
passed without.
and the object that we send is the organization because can edit's parameter is an organization.
Ah, yes, yes, but then we
It's
should have at
yeah.
organization something, no? Or
Yeah, we should do that. Oh yeah, we need to find the organization. Yes.
organization.
So it would be dot organization, wouldn't it?
It has the organizations of that's that's not good, but that's the idea.
I
But
don't think you need to find it because you can just do at volunteer op dot. I don't think it's the ID. I think it's just the organization because I think it has a property of organization. Do
okay.
I have a Rails console running? And I'll see. I don't have a Rails console.
Oh yes.
I'll start up a console and check as well. But I think right. Ah, it's working for me there. Right. So for of equals.
Let's console in. Yeah. Oh, so
Yeah, it exists. It has a method of organization which returns an object.
if I see volunteers.
Yeah. If I show you my screen, I'll show you what I just did.
Oh, there is one or there is none. Uh-huh.
No, you don't have any. Yeah.
So yes, I can. No, I should keep a Rails sandbox and Rails console. What it is? So tells me what can I use. I don't understand nothing. Mm. Ah yes, yes. Rails Control the environment.
Can you see my screen?
No, wait. No, I don't see anything at the moment. No select. No, what? It has changed. No, no, I don't see it. I've seen it very quickly, but it disappears.
Oh dear. Right, let me try again. Sending it over again.
Okay, that's good.
Right, so what I did was I did op equals volunteer.
Yes, yes,
Sorry,
that was
OP
and then we have
for
op, yes, and then we can
get back.
op dot organization. It should not work. And
yeah, so we can send that to can edit.
so,
I wonder if you can share your TextMate again.
yes. So yeah, like this. You see it? Okay. So like this, it's sufficient. Yes. I don't hear you.
Yes, that looks perfect.
Okay. Ready? I'm not sure.
That looks really good. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, I hear you.
Yes, that looks right.
This one also?
No, that one still looks right.
Okay. Okay. So I try it again. Oh. Ah, maybe I should have restricted. Oh no, that goes fast. 25 user. In controller.
Oh yeah, we need to find user, don't we? Define local variable user.
It says in specs and in controller. What it is? Choose.
Yeah, controller line 38.
Okay, in spec. In controller first. In controller this line. It cannot use it. Yes.
Yeah.
That's current user, no?
Yeah, maybe it is.
In show, what we have done, at a table, we have done that.
Yes, you're right. We've done current user.
So that's clear. But I wonder if we should not pass it also, because that's the same partial, huh? And wait a moment, I should see what I've done in the view, because
Yeah.
we have the same logic. Edit. update. We pass current user organization, and here is new the same current user, and here is show if editable.
Yeah, I think our edit is not quite right. But yeah, but maybe we should pass it and then it's available.
Yeah.
But it's already in the, isn't it already, isn't current user already available?
The current user is available, but not user. What
Well,
is
we should
available
use,
is on the application is current user. So
well,
maybe
that's what we should have. Yeah,
have here current user. No? What do you think?
yeah. We need to guard that against current user being nil.
Yes. Our current user is already there because it is
Hmm.
done at the application controller.
Hmm. If
Yes.
nobody is logged in, current user will be nil.
You see here after signing, so you should have signed in at
Yes. Yeah, but if somebody hasn't signed in and they send the
yes.
update
But
request,
in this case, normally you cannot access the show because we have. You see here.
no,
I
we've
think
got
we
current
should have
user.
the same logic
But you
also.
can't see the, yeah, you can't see the edit button. Yeah, we should have the same logic. Yes.
Yeah. Uh, uh, um, so that means we should have probably an editable here also,
Yeah.
which is current admin can edit if current user,
Yeah.
and then we return false unless at editable.
Yeah, I agree. That's really, really clear to read.
Okay. So, but that is not exactly right, because we should restrict it to org and. But at least, okay, and unless
Mhm.
attributable. Ah, yes, but no,
We
because
can make the can edit restricted. Yeah.
wait a moment. User unless attributable. Yes, yes, because we tested it. Unless attributable.
It does duplicate. Once we put in a before filter, though, it will duplicate it. And we'll have the same logic twice.
Yes, that's not exactly the same. It's the show. Everyone can show,
Yeah, it's just what it returns. Yeah. Everyone can show and everyone can index, but we need to
but
filter,
the edit
edit and
button
update again.
it's just for everyone can show. Okay. Uh, but edit and update, just it should be, yes, it should be editable. Oh,
So I wonder if we need, yeah. Okay, we're good though.
we test it like this.
Yeah.
It should see, but that's not very correct. But at least to see if it works this way. No, it was good. This one. Oh, I hope I have changed it. I'm not sure what I've done. I'm not sure I've changed the spec also. What is the double user receive candidate with unexpected enablement? Which of that? Default values. So that means probably I have not changed correct. Sorry, I've left the Hangout by error. Okay.
We're back now. That's fine. I
I
will just
don't
leave
know
the. I was
which
just going to
button.
leave the room for a minute anyway. See if I can get this headache tablet. I'll see you in a minute.
Okay. This one. Difficult. That's the spec. The spec. Oh, there's a spec. What I've done here? Post update. Oxter poster. What we've done in here? We have done show. Follow. Get show. And wait and false. Follow controller. Can edit. Yes. Get show. With artwork. And yes. It has no to retrieve. Allow get edit. So if you
Yeah,
want to
I'm back.
follow user. Ah, oh, I don't know. It works. Wait on how it works here. Allow user and return user to receive candidate. That's strange because here I don't understand why it says that. What does it say here? It says the same as before when we have done the show page. So, with unexpected element. That was the same. Yes, that's exactly the same line. Here, this one. So that means perhaps he does not understand this one. We have no organization. Ah, that should be this one. Here, no? Yes? I think I've made a mistake. I've deleted too much. There it is. Here. to adopt what was it? An okay. Um, so now we should maybe use. You cannot use a save and open page here, or we can to see where we at. Because at the moment, I don't know where we are. To be a redirect. That means it does not redirect. Hmm. Suspect. Not suspects. So it says what? Expect to render. Not here. Put update here. Title. Should redirect to add opt. But that's to the show page. And here, hmm. But here we return anyway if we do that. So we never get here. Oh, there's a problem here. No, that should be an if here, no? Oh, I don't know. Returns. Okay. There is a problem here, but I don't know where. Why it is. It is not the same level. Something wrong here. Yes. Hmm. What it does. This one. That's strange. Maybe I should insert debugger somewhere. Somewhere here. Ah, yes, but yes, but here I've missed this part. I should at least have something, because I think he does nothing because he knows that nothing has changed. So he should have at least it updates sometimes. No, we put with a new title. So it is here. If I put debugger here, what happens? Hmm. You tell me that's Vari. So we have Monte. Hope 2 is here. Yes, that's maybe the problem, this one. Maybe we should have org is here and the user. Where is the user?
Yeah.
It is not here, the user. So if we, I use S.
Yes. Yes, should step into this.
Generate attribute. Internet. Ah, masculine.
It's getting very complicated there. So we're doing a put.
Yes,
That's good.
but I cannot see the body here. Which word?
Which body? All right.
Body?
Yeah, we haven't got to the body of the. Oh, what is that? What body of what?
The body of the page where we should be normally.
Oh, yeah, we haven't got a page, and I don't think these tests actually show a page.
That's the at response. Maybe we can. No, wait a moment. Wait. Do we have a response? Add request. Add response. Oh, yes.
Yeah, response body is still empty.
Ah, yes. So that's already too late.
Mm-hmm.
Partial. Action 000. The template action view. It does the same. So it does not change anything.
Yes. I'm not sure what results is, but yes, it hasn't changed anything.
Sanity checks parameter. Process action. Certificates. Return true unless it does. So params is already something. Since this one return. Oof.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I say next, no?
Yeah, I think so.
It's a shame.
And I'm a bit confused. I'm not quite sure where we are in the request.
So here, notes. Liberties. Agents, but recycle, yes, we are already responsibility. So that means the controller has a responsibility.
Mm-hmm.
Controller. Neil. Strange.
We should probably pause
Ah,
this for now.
yes. There is a problem here. No. Put all at Neil, so that means.
I'm just setting everything to nil.
Maybe here. Non pas in.
I just do next. I'm not sure. I think we should maybe just continue out of this and move the debugger statement into the controller, and that way we'll get there quicker. But should we go to the Scrum first?
Okay. Yes. Just before the. But that's easier with.
I'm going to go to the Scrum
Save and open
and see
page.
what else is happening.
And here, in,
Yes.
where?
Yes, after line 39. Or before line 39 is even better.
Yes.
Before we return anything.
Yes. Let's go to the
Okay, I'm going to Sam's meeting.
Wow, already? You should go, no?
Mm-hmm.
You should go, shouldn't you?
Yes, I think so. Yes, let's go.